Hey there, amazing adventurers and dinosaur detectives. Get ready for a super-duper roarsome journey into a world where imagination takes flight and toys come alive. What if your favorite dino friends could stomp, chomp, and explore your house when you're not looking? Welcome to Stacy's Dynamite Room. Hello, super explorers. Welcome to Stacy's Room, a place bursting with color and adventure. Stacy loves to play, and today she's ready for a dynamite adventure with her very best friends. Can you guess who they are? Stacy, hi everyone, look who I have. This is Terry the Triceratops with his super cool horns, and here's Rexy the T-Rex, the king of the dinosaurs, always ready for a big roar. And don't forget Sammy the Stegosaurus with his spiky plates and swishy tail. They're my best dino buddies, and they're always ready for fun. Stacy, okay, my brave dinosaurs. Our mission today is to explore the mysterious jungle of my bedroom. But remember, we need to be super careful and keep everything tidy, because a good explorer always respects their environment. Let's go on a pretend adventure. Roar. The magical sparkle begins. Oh dear, it looks like Stacy is getting super duper sleepy. She's drifting off to dreamland. But wait, what's that shimmering light? Is it magic? Could it be? Yes, the dinosaurs are waking up, but Stacy doesn't know it yet. Tss, Rexy, she's asleep. Our chance. Adventure time, finally. I'm tired of just sitting here. Let's explore. Real adventure, no more pretend. Wow, can you believe it? Terry, Rexy, and Sammy are alive. Their plastic bodies are now full of wiggles and giggles. What do you think they'll do first? This is going to be an amazing, secret adventure. Dino Kitchen Chaos. Shh! The dinosaurs are on the move. First stop, the kitchen. What do you think they'll find here? Maybe something yummy. Sniff, sniff. I smell something delicious. Cookies, my favorite. But they're so high up. How will we reach them? My horns aren't long enough. Oh no, the cookies are way up high. Rexy is trying to jump, but he's not quite tall enough. Did you know that real T-Rexes were super tall? Sometimes as tall as a bus. But even they couldn't reach cookies on a counter. Oopsie, cookie avalanche. More cookies for us. Nom nom nom. Oh dear, a little cookie spill. But look, they're sharing. Did you know that Triceratops like Terry were plant eaters called herbivores? They loved munching on plants, not cookies. But these toy dinosaurs love all kinds of treats. Living room leapfrogs. Next stop, the living room. What wonders will our dino friends discover here? It looks like a giant, comfy mountain. Look, a giant screen. Maybe it shows dinosaur cartoons. But where's the magic clicker? The remote control. Rexy wants to watch his favorite dino cartoon, but the remote is too far. Did you know that real T-Rexes had very strong legs for running, but their arms were super tiny? It would be hard for them to grab a remote too. Boing, boing, this sofa is like a giant trampoline. We need a bigger remote, or longer arms. Roar. They're having so much fun, but oh, the sofa is getting a little squished. Real Stegosauruses like Sammy had big, spiky plates on their backs for protection, not for bouncing. But these toy dinosaurs are full of surprises. Bathroom bubble bonanza. Into the bathroom they go. What's so fascinating in here? It looks like a giant water bowl. Water, so shiny. Bubbles, I love bubbles. Oh my goodness, Sammy found the bubble bath. Did you know that many dinosaurs live near water? But they probably didn't have bubble baths like this. This is a super bubbly surprise. Whoa, so much foam. I can't see my feet. This is the best bath ever. Whee! The bathroom is turning into a giant bubble party. They're having a blast. But look at all those bubbles. This is quite the bubbly mess. Our dino friends are certainly making the most of their secret adventure. Uh-oh, the messy problem. Oh dear. The dinosaurs had so much fun exploring and playing, but look around. There are cookie crumbs, the sofa is lumpy, and the bathroom is a bubbly mess. Stacy will be waking up soon. What are they going to do? Uh-oh, mess, big mess. Stacy will be sad. We need to fix it. My bubbles, they're everywhere. They look so worried. They had a fantastic time, but now they realize they made a bit of a mess. What would you do if your toys came to life and made a mess? It's time for our dino friends to think fast. Team Dino Cleanup. Look, they're talking to each other. They've decided to work together. Team Dino Cleanup is on the job. This is a super important part of being a good friend and a responsible adventurer. Terry, push, push, cookies back. Pat, pat, sofa flat. Ubbles, mostly gone. They're trying their very best. It's not easy, but they're working as a team. Did you know that some dinosaurs, like the Maiasaura, were known for being good parents and living in groups? Just like our dino friends working together. They did it. They cleaned up almost everything. It's not perfect, but they tried their hardest, and that's what truly matters. They learned that adventures are fun, but being responsible is important too. Back to sleep and a knowing smile. Phew, just in time. The dinosaurs are back in their places, looking just like toys again. Stacy is waking up. Did the dinosaurs really come to life, or was it all just a dream? And did they clean up their mess? It looks like someone had a little adventure while I was sleeping, and they tried their best to clean up. That's what matters most, my amazing dino friends. I still love my dinosaurs. Even if they're a little bit messy sometimes, they're the best adventurers ever, and they always try their best. Join the dino fun. Wow, what an adventure. Stacy's dinosaurs certainly had a wild time. What do you think your toys would do if they came to life? Would they explore? Would they make a mess? Or would they help clean up? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you loved Stacy's dino adventure. And for more super fun stories and exciting adventures, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our magical videos. See you next time, amazing adventurers. Roar!